Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Webpack for React builds, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have Node.js installed on your machine. You can verify this by opening your terminal and typing node v. If Node.js is not installed, download it from the official website. Next, navigate to your React project directory in the terminal. You can use the command cd your project name to enter your project folder. Now, you need to install Webpack and its dependencies. Run the following command, npm install savedev webpack cli. This command installs Webpack and the command line interface needed to run it. To set up Webpack, create a configuration file. In the root of your project, create a file named webpack.config.js. Open this file in your text editor. Inside webpack.config.js, start by importing the necessary modules. Require the path module by adding const path equals require path. Next, configure the entry point for your application. Add the following to your config entry.src/index.js. Now, specify the output settings. Add an output section with the following properties. Set path, path.resolve, __dir_name, dast. Then, set file name, bundle.js. This tells Webpack where to place the bundled file. Now, let's resolve file types. Add a module property with rules for processing files. Inside module, add a rules array. Then, define a rule for JavaScript files. Set the test to //.js $ and use the Babel loader. Install Babel by running npm install savedev Babel loader at babel/core at babel/presetenv. Create a .babelorg file in the project root. In .babelorg, specify the presets with this JSON presets at babel/presetenv. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.